Hey guys, welcome back to our 15th episode. My name's Aiden, and today we're going to start things off with taking a look at our Pep Assembly for winter sports. On Thursday, seniors were taking cap and gown photos for graduation. Take a look at what it was like. Lastly, we went around and interviewed students about their 2022 Spotify wrap-up.
Alright, my top artist is Zach Bryan with 2,866 minutes.
Justin Bieber.
My top artist was The Weeknd.
Mine was Taylor Swift.
Chase Atlantic.
The Neighborhood.
Top artist is The Beatles.
My top artist of the year was Drake.
My favorite guy is Mac Miller.
My favorite girl was Meghan Trainor.
And my top artist is Bruno Mars.
My top artist was Lil Baby.
My top artist is NBA Youngboy.
My top artist is Taylor Swift.
My top song was Stick Season by Noah Kahan.
Mine was Classic by MKTO.
My top song was Get It To Ya by Doja Cat.
My top song was 90210 by Travis Scott.
My top song was Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi.
My favorite song was Lil Secret by Jack Harlow.
My favorite song was Green Light by Lil Durk.